Hi guys, this is Rohit and welcome to Amazing News. In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Tenda wireless adapter. Tenda wireless Wi-Fi connecting adapter. I have already just 3 days ago and have received it now. Okay, and let's start unboxing. I have just got a big box with it. So look, it's here. Just move this one aside. This is N150 mini wireless USB adapter. Okay, let's check what are the contents inside it. Look, I have got this board inside it. A small adapter and a CD or set of drivers with it. In the next video you will be seeing how to install this. I have got this CD. In this CD it consists of drivers of installing it. Okay, these are the contents inside the box of Tenda. What is this model number? These are the contents inside of Tenda 150M mini wireless adapter. The model number is W311MI. It can run up to 150 Mbps. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please watch our next video about installing it, how to install it. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video.